Hey there, this is Tia and this video is an unboxing and a quick review of this MIUI Color 2. So here's the box of MIUI Color 2, and nowadays every MIUI product comes with this black and green accent color box. On the front side you will see some key points, that is deep and powerful bass, 10 hours of playtime and Bluetooth 5.0. And on back side you will see some key specification about the product. If you want to read this, you can pause the video. And on both the side, as always, push the limit and made in India. Now time to open the box. First thing you will get in this box is this: how to avail warranty card. Steps are very simple. Take a photo of your invoice and WhatsApp the photo to this number. That's it. So easy. Now we get the main product. Let's take this out. We'll talk about this later. Let's see what accessories we get inside the box. At first I thought this is nothing, but here we get two small compartments. Inside those compartments we get charging cable and extra earbuds. This charging cable comes with micro USB to USB type. After that we get another small box. Inside this we get some paperwork. Welcome to the crew card and an user manual. Now the box is empty. So here's the MIUI Color 2. Yeah, we get magnets on buds. And the ear tip attached is the smaller one. Here you get MIUI branding and there is nothing on this side. As you are seeing, it's fully made up of plastic, and on other side you get control buttons, power button, volume up and down button. And a charging port down here, yeah, it's micro USB. Remember we saw charging cable? Now let's see how we can connect this with our phone. So to connect, press the power button for 1 second, it will turn on and go to pairing mode. And you will see this blinking light. Now turn on Bluetooth on your device and search for available devices. You will see MIUI Color 2, tap on that. Now it's connected. And you can see battery percentage as well. Let me tell you about the controls. Single tap on plus button will increase the volume, as you can see on your screen, and minus button will decrease the volume. And power button will act as play pause button. If you press and hold the plus button for 1 second, it will play the next track, and minus button will play the previous track. You can answer call using power button. Talking about build quality, it's fine. It's made up of plastic, but it's not cheap plastic. Overall, build quality is fine for price we are paying. Moving to sound part, showing sound quality through video is next to impossible, but let me tell you, sound quality is good comparing to the competitors. Bass is good and sounds punchy. Talking about overall sound quality, you will not face any issue in sound department. Battery is awesome, it lasts around 10 hours on single charge. I made some calls using this earphone. Call quality is good you will not face any connectivity issue. While playing games, you will not face huge latency. This earphone handles latency very well. Overall, product is good and you can consider this. You will get the link in description if you want to buy this product or even if you are checking this. Like and subscribe for more such videos, and I will catch you in the next one.